Let's continue our discussion on foot yang ming or the stomach meridian. Now, stomach 4 or 8 earth granary. Stomach 4 or the foot yang ming is found 5.5 tune lateral to the corner of the mouth, as seen here in the illustration. Stomach 4 is also called earth granary, stomach link, linking confluence or ghost bed. The crossing point of stomach and large intestine, or the point of yang chow mai. Located next to the mouth on the stomach meridian itself, the great storehouse. This point is called a granary because the mouth receives and stores the 5 grains. At this heavenly level of the head, it can be appropriate for spirit level dissatisfaction with life. When someone has no sense of harvest, it makes sense to see if they have sufficient reserves and stores to furnish one. Sometimes someone has a concept of the type of harvest they want, but their intent has been misaligned with the desired outcome or that they have overlooked what they have reaped. Earth granary is indicated when the mix of the processing, rotting, and ripening and transporting has lost its balance. Indicated when a person is unable to resolve a problem or can't stop overthinking it, when there are problems with extracting nourishment from life and having reserves to call on in times of impoverishment, when there is a sense that nothing is enough. We need our granaries to be stocked at all levels of body, mind, and spirit, so there will not be weakness, distress, and anxiety. As a crossing point with the large intestines, partner with of the stomach in the yang ming, which is rich in qi and blood, this supports a nourishing aspect of this point. The influence of large intestine can help earth extract the richness of food and life and eliminate what is not useful. It expels wind through its connection with the yang chow mai, removes obstructions from the channel, benefits tendons and muscles. Major local point to treat the mouth and face. Treatment of facial paralysis where the mouth is deviated. It helps expel exterior wind. It also affects the facial muscles and is used in aphasia. Indication, it helps body, mind, and spirit receive nourishment and satisfaction to eliminate exterior wind and facial paralysis, to affect the muscles of the face in aphasia, and regulate the face and mouth. This is a major point for the mouth and face. The deep pathway encircles the mouth and connects to REN 24. It can help in cases of indigestion, eating disorders, facial paralysis, trigeminal neuralgia, or deviation of the mouth. The stomach is the granary organ. It receives and stores the 5 grains. This point can indicate for someone who has no sense of their own harvest, helps the body, mind, and spirit to receive nourishment and satisfaction. Location. With the patient looking straight ahead, directly below the center of the pupil, and approximately 0.4 tune lateral to the corner of the mouth. How to find this? With the patient looking straight ahead, the first points of the stomach channel are located on a vertical line drawn through the center of the pupil, or the pupil line. Stomach 4 is located at the crossing point of the pupil line and a horizontal line originating at the corner of the mouth. The point is located in the nasolabial groove, approximately 0.4 tune lateral to the corner of the mouth. Ask the patient to smile in order to make the line more clearly visible. Needling obliquely in a lateral direction or vertical 0.3 to 0.5 tune or penetration method, transversely and subcutaneously, approximately 1.5 to 2 tune in case of facial paralysis towards stomach 6 for trigeminal neuralgia towards LI 20. Caution, the facial artery vein. Thank you for your attention.